Hey guys, this is a Canon Maxify series printer, MB2320. Just wanted to show you how to print a test page, just like this one right here, which is going to show you how good the quality is of each nozzle, and it's also going to show you how many pages it printed. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the home menu on the printer, then you're going to scroll the menu to the right, select setup, maintenance, and print nozzle check pattern. Here we go. And that's what yours should look like. If you have missing pattern somewhere, just go ahead and do a clean, or you can always do a clean manually on the printhead. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this helped you. It's a quick video somebody asked me to make on how to print this page to check out the page count on their printer, and that's how you do it. You have a great day, and thank you for watching.